G'day. Long time. Yeah, still alive. A little update on the Grand National as I'm about to drive her out and put her in the shed for its winter slumber. This is why it needs to go out for a winter slumber because it's winter. No progress. Haven't done much to it in a year. Interior is mostly in place. Windows are dirty. Well, mostly in place. Carpet's down, seats are in. Temporarily taped the mirror on because backing it into the shed and realized I don't have a mirror on the passenger side. I can stick my head out of the driver's side window. Anyone else old enough to remember when even the biggest cars had just one small mirror on the driver's side? My first car was a 67 Buick Wildcat. Damn thing was about 20 feet long and 7 feet wide. One tiny little mirror. You know what? I could parallel park that damn thing. Anyway, ran out of steam. Business has been excellent, so I've been extremely busy and just haven't got back to it. I was pretty much ready for one coat of primer of feather fill and then paint. I've got the paint, but then last fall that happened. I had to bring the snowblower in on the first snowfall we had because the drive cable broke and it was storming out. I wasn't going to work outside. I had enough room in here to sneak it by. Tilted it up to get the bottom off and it fell over and did that. So I sprayed some gloss black what do you call that? Anyways, spray bombed it just to see what the dent looked like and everything. So I'm going to be able to pull it out mostly, hammer it back straight. No Bondo. Not going to Bondo it too much. Probably just a little bit of fill. And yeah, that really sucked because everything else was ready. I used to have a bad dent somewhere around here. The car was full of door dings. It wasn't actually rotted. The body was good, but it was it had a lot of parking lot rash. Driver's side is completely ready, I think. Oh, I still have some slight glaze to do. Like I said, haven't done a whole lot, but the main purpose of starting this restoration was to save the car, and that I accomplished. The floors are solid once again. They're all coated. Everything's done. They've a rust converter and then rubberized under coating inside everywhere, including the trunk. Trunk was actually worse than the floors, I think. And so she's solid again, and I saved the car from just sitting around and rotting. I just need to get back to it and finish it off. Like I said, I actually have the paint. It might actually go gummy on me before I get to use it, which would have been a waste. I just haven't had the chance to, and now I need my garage because the workshop, she's full. And I need to work on my trucks and a little tractor. I have a early 70s Cub Cadet that I want to put a blade on for snow and mud and dirt. And I need a garage. So she's going into the shed. It's a dry shed. Not climate controlled, of course. It's just outside, but it's dry. It's not going to get wet. Not going to get damp because once we have snow, basically everything stays dry. I have a car cover for it. I'm debating whether I should use it. If anybody has experience with storing a car in a non-climate controlled shed or garage with a car cover, let me know if it's a good idea or bad idea. I'm afraid it'll trap moisture, and but it might not. It might be the right thing to do. So let me know in the comments. And yeah, been too busy to do much on the channel here, so hopefully get back to that. Maybe do a few how-tos on guitar stuff and the blade for the tractor and stuff. Okay, A little update before I put her away. I'm still alive. She's now been parked over 11 years. Yeah, 2011. October 2011 is when I parked it, after its last summer of being on the road. I miss the old girl. That, and it's probably gets better gas mileage than both of my trucks. I could have used it this year, and gas is still going up. Anyway, now I'm rambling. Old man rambling. Be good. Take care. Catch you later.